Hi everyone. It's time for Global Testing Retreat 2021. We are super excited and very well equipped to welcome you all for tomorrow and day after. We have very interesting and technology business oriented topics from global speakers, interesting panel discussions, various keynotes, hands on learning workshop coupled with networking, fun, quiz, and whatnot. I'll be there along with you tomorrow as a host, as a moderator, and also as a learner. Do join us tomorrow and day after. We are looking to have a wonderful time with you all. It's time for 88 GTR 2021. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am attending ATA GTR 2021 and I am really excited to attend this event. I am also one of the organizing member of this amazing conference. Already 500 plus registration has been done. We are ready to rock tomorrow and day after tomorrow. See you all there. Thank you. And this time Josh is really high. Bye bye.
Gratitude to universe and blessed to be part of ATA GTR 2021. Proud feeling for being part of an organizing team of ATA GTR. This gives me an immense opportunity to not only connect with the veterans of IT industry from India but also from other countries as well. Thank you.
Hey guys, do you know what's common between Diwali and ATA GTR? Both happens only once in a year. So let's make the best use of it and look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.
Well, frankly speaking, I'm feeling blessed as well as delightful to be associated with ATA GTR since last 4 years. And this year is also going to be an exceptional one for sure. Global speakers, global thoughts, tools, technologies, keynote sessions, panel discussions, individual knowledge sharing sessions, and what else. I'm looking forward to all of that. And as a part of organizing team of ATA GTR 2021, I'm also looking forward to get to see all the active participation from all of you. This is Rituraj and I'm going to see you there at ATA GTR 2021. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं अभय कुमार सिंह। मेरा ATA और GTR का रिश्ता बिल्कुल वैसा है जैसे आप ये देख रहे हैं, नदी, पहाड़, आसमान और हवाएं। So I'm very proud of to be a team of ATA GTR.
Hello everyone, this is that time of the year when GTR Summit happens. We as a part of ATA would like to invite you all to join us in this exciting event which is happening this weekend. Make sure you mark your presence. Thank you all and see you on the other side. Cheers.
Hello all, this is Harsh. It would be great to see you all as a part of ATA GTR 2021.
नमस्कार, मी हर्षदा. ह्या वर्षी होणारे ATA GTR 2021 व्हर्च्युअल कॉन्फरन्स जी की 11 आणि 12 डिसेंबरला होणार आहे. याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला खूप काही नवीन गोष्टी शिकायला मिळतील आणि त्यामुळे प्रत्येकाने पार्टिसिपेट करा आणि तुमची उपस्थिती महत्त्वपूर्ण ठरेल. धन्यवाद.
Hi all, from 2018 I'm connected with ATA GTR, so it has been 3 years now. This is the third year, so yeah, waiting for the great start, group discussions, the individual sessions from different industry experts, learning more about agile and the latest tools and technology, and the keynotes and the group discussions. So yeah, waiting for all of them. Yeah.
Hey everyone, this is Pallavi and I'm looking forward to see you all tomorrow 11 December at the Global Testing Retreat by Agile Testing Alliance. We have amazing set of speakers and some great workshops to attend to. I'm sure you all will have an amazing experience and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much.
Hey there, this is Sumit Mundada, one of the hosts for Great Testing Conference happening on 11th and 12th of December, Global Testing Retreat 2021 by Agile Testing Alliance. The conference is packed with excellent speaker, panel discussion and great workshop. So do join me there to have this great experience, fun, a lot of networking and most importantly, very great learning. See you there.
Hello everyone. I'm happy to be part of ATA GTR 2021 this time. Happy to see 500 plus participants have been registered before a day left. Happy to be part of such a wonderful event and happy to see you all during this event and have such a wonderful speakers during this day and a lot of hands-on sessions during this time. Thank you.
Hi all, this is Aditya signing in from Jodhpur. We're all looking forward for this year's edition of ATA GTR 2021. See you tomorrow.